Hello everyone and welcome back to EcoVibe TV. Today we're talking about a wonderful way to beautify our garden while protecting our environment. Yes, you heard right. It's the eco-friendly gardening, transforming waste into wonder, a weekly challenge. Through this challenge, we're going to learn how to give new life to discarded household items in our gardens. It's simple, fun, and incredibly valuable. This week's challenge is reusing plastic bottles. I'm sure most of us have plastic bottles around the house. Instead of just tossing them in the recycling bin, we can use them for planting saplings, creating a simple irrigation system, or even making a bird feeder for your garden. Look how easy this is. With just a few simple cuts, you can turn a bottle into a brand new home for a small plant. Or by poking a few holes, you can create a slow drip waterer that keeps your plants hydrated. It's amazing what you can do with a little creativity. By using ideas like these, we can make our gardens beautiful and protect the environment at the same time. Are you ready to take on this week's challenge? It's not just about plastic either. Doing small things like this adds beauty to our garden and can also provide essential nutrients to the soil. For example, you can crush up your used eggshells and mix them into the soil for a calcium boost. And those coffee grounds you throw away every morning, they make a fantastic natural fertilizer for your plants. These are all things we usually just throw away. In our weekly challenge, we'll give you a new idea and a new task every single week. We encourage you to join us, take on the challenge, and share your amazing creations with our community. All of us can make a huge difference just by doing small things, and eco-friendly gardening is the perfect example of this. This is your chance to use your creativity and love for nature to build a truly beautiful and sustainable garden space. Think of it as a creative outlet that also helps the planet. So, remember this week's challenge. It's all about reusing plastic bottles. Why not start right now? Grab a bottle, some soil, and a small plant and see what you can create. We will meet again right here next week with another new idea and a brand new challenge for you to try. Stay tuned to EcoVibe TV. Let's protect the environment and make life beautiful, one garden at a time. Thanks for watching.